Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 10. Because I didn't do a whole lot of filming yesterday either. It was just a really casual, kind of lazy, cold Sunday at our house. We went out to eat last night for my husband's birthday, which is today. And I just didn't do a lot of filming. And then this morning, I'm getting ready real quick because my friend is coming by to pick up me and Vera to go pick up a Christmas toy that I need to put in her vehicle because I need more room. And I needed to pick it up when Quinlan was not around, and Vera can be, things can be hidden from her a little bit easier. And then we're going to go to the library for movie time. They're going to show Frosty the Snowman and the animated Grinch. So I'm really excited for that. I'll turn that off. I got my Sephora gift card, you know, the $25 gift card promo order in. I wasn't going to order on the principle of them changing it to the $75 mark, which I realized, you know, everybody's like, or people said they gave us more sales. They gave us, I think, one more sale. Them doing it for the Rouge and everybody at the end of November for one more time. I mean, I guess that, so maybe you can say they gave 2 more sales, but I still don't feel like that warrants them changing the value because granted we were getting more sales, but they were still getting more money because everybody was shopping a lot. I think having more sales equals more money from them. It's great for us, but I don't think that the gift card thing should have been changed in my opinion. Or even if it was, maybe like to 60, not 75. But when I had gotten my Dr. Jart Cicapair at the last sale, it came with this little sample of the Dr. Jart Water Fuse Hydro Sleep Mask. I have fallen in love with this stuff. It's just this really, it's a gel, but it's a firm gel. It's not like watery, like thin gel, like the Clinic Moisture Surge. I put this on at night after everything, after my moisturizer. My skin has been so dry this year and just kind of irritated. Ever since I've been using that, my skin has done so much better. I don't wake up with dryness. When I put on my makeup, I don't have any dry flakes. I just really fell in love with it. So I wanted to get the full size. I wasn't even gonna, I mean, this was just one of those, if I hadn't used that sample and fallen in love with it, I wouldn't have used my code. But I'm so glad I did because I would have wanted this and I would have purchased it regardless as soon as I ran out of that. So I'm gonna show you what the bottle looks like. So this is the full size. It's a 1.8 ounce. Really excited. And it's one of those, it probably pumps up from the bottom, like the Drunk Elephant stuff. And one thing I like about Dr. Jart products is it gives you a real expiration date. Because products that give you just that general like 6M or 12M, I don't know. It says it was manufactured either in March or April of 2018. I don't know for sure. Is it the last, because you know it has your year first, then one, and then one, so whatever. And then it expires either in February or March of 2021. So that gives me a really long time to use it. And I can definitely finish it up. Okay, then to go along with that, I decided to pick up this body lotion, which I'm going to return. As soon as I got it in the mail, I just put it aside, the Fresh Sugar Lemon. I smelled this when I was in Sephora at the last sale. Fell in love with the scent. Was like, oh, I'll pick it up in the spring. But ever since I got that Clean Spot Ginger Tea Body Oil, that's the only like slightly spring summery scent I want to use. Besides like the Boom Boom Cream, you know. I do want to try the new Boom Boom Cream, the coconut one. But I don't even want that. So I am going to take that back. Or exchange it, I guess. And then I needed like $2 more, so I picked up one of the Laneige Water Pocket Sheet Masks in 4. My friend Megan May here on YouTube talks about this one. She says it's very moisturizing, so I thought it would be good to pick up this time of year. And then lastly, they had some new 100-point perks, and I got the Hourglass Caution Extreme Mascara to try. People seem to love this. I almost got it in the sales, like the mini. but I really don't need any mascara because somehow I acquire minis so often. But since it was a 100-point perk, I couldn't pass it up. So that was what I picked up. So I'm about to wash my face. I'm probably just going to end up, I don't even know if I'm going to put on makeup. I'm going to probably just put on my hat and get dressed real quick before she gets here. And I will talk to y'all later. I don't want to show the gift, just in case anybody watches my videos. But I will show y'all Christmas gifts when the time comes, but I don't want to show it ahead of time, just in case. So. Waiting. This is really interesting. I've never seen that. We just got home from the library. We had a showing of Frosty's Winter Wonderland and the animated Grinch, not the new one, the older one. And it went pretty well. We had little snacks and water, and Vera was good for until about the last like 2 minutes. Then she started getting restless. So we're home now. Success at Walmart on my pickup. And also, Vera, baby, no, stop, you're gonna break that. She's like a monster. She tries to break everything. It was our Melissa and Doug nativity scene, and she was trying to break part of the nativity scene. Anyways, I just got an email. I do like the ChickFilA app. I've talked about this before, and randomly they'll send you like free rewards, which is really nice. But I just got one from the Tuscaloosa Chick-fil-A. It said 12 days of giving, and it's a free Chick-fil-A sandwich, and you have to use it today. So I don't know, am I gonna be getting 12 free Chick-fil-A things? I stopped at the Tuscaloosa one on our way home from Gatlinburg, but I've been to mine since, so I don't know how I got in their system, but I'm really excited that I'm gonna get a free Chick-fil-A sandwich for lunch. And let's see that, I mean, if I get something every day, that's just like, I mean, that's like Christmas to me. That's all I need is 12 days of free Chick-fil-A. I'm really excited to see what tomorrow brings. Let me know if y'all are getting anything that says 12 days of things like that from Chick-fil-A. My friend I was with this morning, she, you know, only goes to ours, and she didn't have a free reward. So I've obviously hit the jackpot. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, my little Chick-fil-A reward worked. So I hope they keep thinking I'm a Tuscaloosa customer. I didn't do anything or change my location, but thank you, Tuscaloosa branch of Chick-fil-A. So I did go and I got my Chick-fil-A sandwich, and I got a Coke. I haven't had a Coke in so long, and it is absolutely divine, but so sweet. I cut out sodas pretty recently, within the past maybe 2 months. I'll have one occasionally, but I'm not keeping them at home anymore. And I mean, it's been hard, but I mean, it's been worth it. I do miss them, and I try to let myself have maybe one a week as a treat, but I can't tell you the last time I've had a Coke. So it is just divine. So I wanted to share this with y'all. I made this at Mops a few weeks. I made hot chocolate recipe, and it makes it in bulk, and you can, Vera, don't do that. Hey, don't blow bubbles. Put it on the back of the bar stool cue, where it always goes. Vera. And so you make a large amount, and you can keep it all for yourself. You can have a hot chocolate station. Yes, ma'am? No, don't blow it. Just suck it. You can have like a hot chocolate station, a cart. You can give it as gifts, whatever. But use 1 3/4 cup cocoa, 5 cups powdered sugar, 10 cups dry milk, 1 3/4 cups coffee creamer. All, if you want to screen capture it. And then what you do is you just heat up a cup of milk or a cup of water, and then use either 3 to 4 heaping teaspoons full and mix it in, and it tastes, do y'all think it tastes pretty good? Yeah. They like it. It's kid approved. And you can put it in little baggies. It makes a cute gift. Or like I said, She, the lady that did the recipe, she buys like a glass container and she fills it up and just has it throughout the holiday season, and you know, you can make it whenever. So it's pretty good. My sugar fiend. She likes to put a peppermint in hers and a little bit of whipped cream on top. Okay, I just thought I would share that with y'all. Okay, I'm just kind of killing time because I'm waiting on a load of laundry to get dry that I can lay out. And I'm just laying down because it's a moment of quiet before I'm about to have to start dinner. I have so many returns to make. So many. I need to take something to American Eagle. I need to take something to Old Navy. I need to take something to Walmart. And I need to take something to Ulta. So I'm afraid that's what tomorrow will be. Oh my gosh, that's going to be a nightmare. Dragging Vera in and out of the car seat, out of the car, into the store, back to the car seat, driving to another place, etc., etc. Did I say I had something to do at Target? I don't think I have a Target return, but I think I need to go to Target. What could that be for? I have no idea. So anyways, that's what I think tomorrow will be. And then Wednesday, we have our standing ChickFilA and play date. Then Thursday, we have a Christmas party at the library. And then Friday, Q has a Chuck E. Cheese trip that she got for fundraising. If you sell X amount of cheese straws, then you get to go to Chuck E. Cheese and play games and have lunch during school hours. So I'm going to go with her to that because I just don't like the idea of her going to Chuck E. Cheese on a field trip without me. So that is basically my week. And then Friday night, there's like a PJ party, tree lighting, movie, hot cocoa thing in our town. And then Saturday is another breakfast with Santa. I'm just kind of talking out loud through my week. So we have some busy days ahead. But busy is good and fun. It's always fun during the holiday season to have a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm just kind of collecting my thoughts before my husband gets home and have to do dinner. And the girls are entertained watching The Grinch. After Vera saw it at the library this morning, she wanted to watch it again. So when we got home, her and Q, you know, they did all this stuff, blah, blah, blah. And they're doing The Grinch. And I'm able to get some stuff done. But it's a very short movie. It's like 20-something minutes. So it doesn't buy me a lot of time. Well, me and my husband will be back again later today, and we'll talk to you about the most recent Christmas movies we've watched. Because I'm trying to remember what all we've watched since I talked to you last. So we'll be back and give you a little summary synopsis of what we thought about those. Okay, guys, I'm saying goodnight because we're about to watch yet another cheesy Christmas film. I'm not sure which one. We were talking about a few. I don't know. So last night we started the Christmas Calendar, which a friend of mine said it wasn't really that good to just not watch it. I wasn't really into it. So if y'all think it's worth watching, then let me know. And since I updated you last, we watched Christmas Inheritance, which was really cheesy, but in a fun way. And then last night we watched 12 Dates of Christmas with Mark Paul Gosselaar and Amy Smart. We both really liked that one. It was probably like the best.
Top 3 anyway.
Top 3? Mm-hmm. He still says Christmas Chronicles is his first. What's your other? What's in your top 3?
What else was good?
Holiday in Handcuffs.
No.
I love you got to watch that one. I mean, it is like terribly cheesy, A+. What else?
The one with the view was okay.
Christmas with a View. Oh, yeah, it was good. Cheesy. But, I mean, just like bad. Oh, The Christmas Prince. We liked those. I mean, you know, cheesy, okay, but fun. So, 12 Dates of Christmas has been my personal favorite. Yeah, let me know.
My second favorite.
You think it's your second? Okay, let me know your favorites if you watch these cheesy Christmas movies, because I'm always looking for another one. I don't know what we're going to watch. We're going to have to find one. So, I will let you guys go, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.